In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sum numbers in Excel. This is one of the most useful basic formulas to learn in Excel, and it is a quick way to add values without doing the math manually. If you are working with a list of numbers, a budget, totals, or simple calculations, this method will help you get the result fast and accurately. Start by clicking the target cell. This is the cell where you want the final total to appear. Make sure you choose the correct location before entering the formula, because Excel will place the answer in whatever cell is currently selected. A good habit is to click once, then quickly confirm that the cell border is highlighted. Next, type equals autosum and then an opening parentheses. This tells Excel that you want to use the sum function, which is designed to add numbers together. The opening parenthesis is important because it begins the range of cells that Excel will include in the calculation. As you type, Excel may show suggestions below the cell or in the formula bar. That is normal and can help confirm that you are entering the function correctly. After that, click and drag your mouse over the cells you want to add together. As you drag, Excel will outline the selected range, and you will usually see that range appear inside the formula automatically. This saves time and helps reduce typing mistakes. Be careful to include every cell you want in the total, and make sure you do not accidentally select extra cells that should not be part of the sum. If the values are next to each other in a row or column, dragging across them is usually the easiest method. Once the correct cells are selected, type a closing parenthesis and then press Enter. Excel will immediately calculate the total and display the result in the target cell. If everything was entered correctly, you should now see the sum of the selected numbers. If the result does not look right, check the selected range and confirm that the correct cells were highlighted. Small selection errors are common, especially when working quickly. You can always click the cell again and look at the formula to verify what was included. That is the full process for summing numbers in Excel using the sum function. It is simple, reliable, and worth memorizing because you will use it often. That covers everything you need to know.